A teacher forced out of the job, and she says it's because she's gay. The woman says the preschool where she was working asked her to leave after school leaders discovered she was in a lesbian relationship.
And as investigative reporter Christopher Heath found out, even though that school takes in your tax dollars, it's still allowed to remove any teacher it wants for what they do in their personal life.
This is the Aloma Methodist Early Childhood Learning Center, and this is Jacqueline Pfeiffer. Up until a few weeks ago, she taught here, but not anymore. She says it's because the school found out she's a lesbian.
When I think of losing the job, I don't even think about the job. I think of more of the kids, and that makes me cry.
For a year and a half, Jacqueline taught here, but when her partner Kelly came to the school as a sub, rumors started, and Jacqueline's private life was no longer private. She says her boss at the school called her into the office.
Basically, she was saying what I'm doing is not socially acceptable, and I'm living a life of sin.
In short order, Jacqueline was out of a job. This letter was sent to parents stating Jacqueline left for personal reasons. Parents like Megan Gibson started asking questions.
My kids, they adore her and adore everything that she's taught them.
As a concerned parent, Gibson pressed the school for answers and was told Jacqueline was let go due to her lifestyle choices.
I wasn't aware of Jackie's relationship, nor did I care about any of Jackie's personal relationships.
The school advertises that it is a VPK school, meaning it takes in state tax dollars, yet there are no state laws or federal laws that prevent an employer from dismissing an employee simply for being gay. We attempted on several occasions to talk to both the church and the school, but those calls went unreturned.
My life, and I don't let it affect my works.
Jacqueline has started the search for a new job and says she won't hide who she is, but wonders if there will ever come a time when people don't feel the need to ask. And we have still not heard back from the church or from the school. Orlando and Orange County do have anti-discrimination ordinances. However, Aloma Methodist lists its address as Winter Park. Bob and Vanessa.
All right, thanks, Chris. Now, since we posted this on Facebook this morning, thousands of people have commented on it, and you can share your thoughts on the WFTV Facebook page.
The U.S. aid worker who spent